Social separate,
We've
gentlemen.
met lots of very fit people in Sydney running through the garden. And we had a very good dinner, very good discussion, very relaxed evening. We've had a very nice walk in the Botanic Gardens this morning, and the President and I met lots of Australians who were being very fit. Barnaby, they were running, and we were strolling, walking, and all these very athletic people were running past us. We met a very charming young man with an 8-week-old baby, and he was letting his wife was having a sleep in, and he was taking the baby for a walk in the garden. So it's very sweet. But we've got such a strong relationship. It's a very strong friendship. It gets stronger all the time. We're working towards the Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Great progress under there. We're increasing our trading links and investment. So there's a lot to discuss at every level. The Australia-Indonesian relationship.
Sambutan yang hangat kepada saya dan istri serta seluruh delegasi dari Indonesia, dan makan malam tadi malam kira sudah menyelesaikan hampir semua masalah yang ada.
Thank you very much. Good morning. Thank you very much again for the warm welcome extended to me and the entire Indonesian delegation. And I think our wonderful and fruitful discussion last night over dinner had already covered most of the issues.
Dan kami sangat menghargai sekali yang disampaikan mengenai masalah yang berkaitan dengan kedaulatan dan teritori Indonesia. Kami sangat menghargai.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Admiralty House in Sydney for this signing ceremony. First document is a joint declaration on maritime cooperation.
Deklarasi ini akan ditandatangani oleh Yang Terhormat Billy Bishop MP, Menteri Luar Negeri, dan Yang Mulia Ibu Retno Marsudi, Menteri Luar Negeri Indonesia. Silakan. Menteri Komunikasi dan Kesenian, dan Yang Mulia Bapak Triawan Munaf, Kepala Bekraf.
Ministers, I invite you to take a place at the table.
Kami persilakan para menteri untuk duduk di meja.
Terima kasih Yang Mulia Perdana Menteri Malcolm Turnbull. Yang pertama, terima kasih makan malamnya dan jalan pagi hari tadi.
Thank you, Your Excellency Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull. And again, I would like to thank you for the wonderful dinner last night and for the morning walk.
Sebetulnya masalah-masalah dan persoalan yang ada sudah selesai tadi malam dan pada saat jalan pagi tadi.
We have actually covered all of our bilateral issues on our dinner and morning walk.
Dan dalam pertemuan bilateral yang baru saja kita lakukan, sangat nampak komitmen yang tinggi kedua negara untuk memperkokoh hubungan yang baik.
And the bilateral meeting that we just had clearly demonstrates our profound commitment to promote bilateral cooperation.
Dan hubungan yang baik serta kokoh tentunya dapat tercipta jika kedua negara saling menghormati integritas wilayah, tidak campur tangan urusan dalam negeri negara lain, dan mampu mengembangkan hubungan yang saling menguntungkan.
And that robust relationship can be established when both countries have mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity, non-interference into the domestic affairs of each other, and the ability to develop mutually beneficial partnership.
Kita sepakat agar negosiasi Indonesia-Australia Comprehensive Economic Partnership dapat diselesaikan tahun 2017 yang tadi juga sudah disampaikan oleh PM John Bell.
We agreed that the negotiation over the Indonesia-Australia Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement will be concluded in 2017 as Prime Minister Turnbull previously mentioned.
Di bidang perdagangan, saya menyampaikan beberapa harapan dan penekanan, yaitu menghilangkan hambatan perdagangan, baik tarif maupun non-tarif bagi produk Indonesia, misalnya produk kertas Indonesia dan kelapa sawit dari Indonesia.
On trade, I have conveyed to Prime Minister Turnbull some of the key issues. First is the removal of barriers to trade, tariffs and non-tariffs for Indonesian products, such as Indonesia's papers and palm oil.
Di bidang politik dan keamanan, saya menyambut baik kerjasama yang telah dilakukan selama ini, baik dalam bentuk 2+2 maupun dalam bentuk pertemuan Ministerial Council on Law and Security, dengan penekanan kerjasama di bidang pemberantasan terorisme, keamanan siber, EU facing, dan memerangi transnational organized crimes.
On politics and security, I welcome the cooperation that both parties have undertaken, be it through the 2+2 meeting between the Foreign and Defense Ministers, the Ministerial Council on Law and Security, with emphasis on some prominent issues including counterterrorism, cybersecurity, IUU fishing, and combating transnational organized crimes.
Dan saya menggunakan kunjungan ini untuk mengukuhkan tekad Indonesia meningkatkan kerjasama pengajaran bahasa Indonesia di Australia.
And my visit also solidifies our commitment to intensify the teaching of Indonesian language in Australia.
Indonesia telah memiliki 3 balai bahasa di Perth, di Melbourne, dan di Canberra, dan beberapa balai akan dibuka di kota yang lain dalam waktu segera mungkin.
Indonesia already has 3 Indonesian language centers in Perth, Melbourne, and Canberra, and a number of other centers will be established soon.
Dan saya mendapatkan laporan bahwa sekitar 160.000 pelajar Australia belajar bahasa Indonesia.
And I have also received reports that over 160,000 Australian students are learning Indonesian language.
Indonesia menyampaikan apresiasi atas dukungan Australia selama keketuaan Indonesia di IORA, dan bersama kita ingin mewujudkan wilayah lingkar Laut India sebagai kawasan yang stabil dan sejahtera. Dan Perdana Menteri John Bell akan hadir di KTT IORA nanti pada bulan Maret.
I have also appreciated Australia's support throughout Indonesia's chairmanship of IORA. Together, Indonesia and Australia are committed to promote stability and prosperity in the region. And Prime Minister Turnbull will also attend the IORA Leaders Summit in Indonesia in March this year.
Sekali lagi, terima kasih atas penerimaan yang sangat hangat, sangat bersahabat dalam kunjungan saya kali ini. Terima kasih.
Again, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for the warm and cordial welcome extended to me for this visit. Thank you.